Hi there. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how you can create invoices in your Pulse Growth account. Once you log in, go to the Payments tab from the left menu and then open the Invoices section. Create a new one by clicking on Create New Invoice. This will open up the Invoice Builder, where you can start customizing everything according to your needs. The first thing you'll do is select the contact you want to send the invoice to under the Customer Information section. After selecting your customer, scroll down to the Invoice Settings area. Here you can edit the invoice number, the issue date, and the due date. This gives you full flexibility to match your company's billing preferences or client agreements. Next, move to the Product section. This is where you add the products or services you're billing for. If you've already created a product before, just pick it from the drop-down list. But if you haven't, don't worry. Simply click Create Product. Enter the product name, the price name if applicable, the product price, and any tax percentage that applies. Once you hit Save, your product will be stored in the system and automatically added to your invoice. After you've added your products, you can include discounts if needed. Pulse Growth gives you the option to set discounts by percentage or enter a custom amount manually. You can also include taxes and even create payment schedules. It's designed to make invoicing flexible for both you and your customers. In the Additional Options section, you can customize even more. You can add your company's terms and conditions or policies right on the invoice. There's also the option to charge a late fee. This can be either a flat amount or a percentage of the total invoice value. If you'd like, you can also enable tipping, which allows clients to leave a tip when paying online. And finally, if you need to attach any documents like receipts, agreements, or project files, you can easily upload them here as attachments. Once your invoice looks good, click Save to store it. When you're ready to send it, simply click the Send button, and the system will automatically email the invoice directly to the selected contact with their payment details. It's fast, professional, and fully automated. You can edit the invoices by clicking the three dots next to the invoice. From here, you can record payments manually, which is especially helpful if the customer's card is already attached. You can also convert the invoice into a reusable template for future use, clone it to create a similar invoice quickly, or void it if it's no longer needed. And that's it. Now you know how to create and send invoices inside your Pulse Growth account. For more details, visit our support portal or reach out to us anytime at connect@pulsegrowth.io.